Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. I am teaching you chapter number 15, the coastal plains and islands. So, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So, student, in the previous video we discussed about the islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is situated in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, which is situated in Arabian Sea. Okay, Arabian Sea is at the west side and Bay of Bengal is at the east side. Okay, now in today's video we will start with the importance of the coastal plains and islands. So first point is many ports are found along the coast. First point is the ports. So what are the ports? Ports, a city which grows around a harbor. And what is a harbor? Harbor is a place where the ship dock. ठीक है, जहाँ पे शिप खड़े होते हैं, ठीक है, लोड होते हैं, शिप अनलोड होते हैं, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, हार्बर ऐसी प्लेस होती है जो बहुत ज़्यादा डीप होती है, सो डैट द शिप डॉक्स देयर. ओके, एंड अ सिटी which grows around a harbor, that is known as the ports. Second, we also have many important harbors. Okay, so in the coastal line we have already discussed in the chapter very important ports along the western coast, that is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast or Malwar coast, and in the eastern side the northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Okay, the next many of the seaside towns are popular holiday and tourist destinations. So uh, mm, many tourists come in these places. ठीक है, these places are very attractive for the tourists also. So every year many tourists come in this area. Fishing is an important occupation. Okay, so for example, what is the main occupation of the people who are living near the harbors? So fishing is the main occupation. ठीक है, occupation means काम धंधा उनका. A variety of crops such as rice, coconut and rubber are grown here. ये डिस्कशन हमने किस पार्ट में की थी? ये डिस्कशन हमने की थी द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स. वाई? बिकॉज ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स आर more broad than the western coastal plains, and maximum rivers which flow from west to east, so before their water falls into the sea, that is into the Bay of Bengal, these rivers are forming deltas, and deltas are very fertile area, and that is also this region is known as rice bowl of India. So a variety of crops such as rice, coconut and rubber are grown here. Next, islands are also popular tourist attraction, and these islands are also popular tourist attractions. Okay, many people from different part of a country or from different countries, many people from different countries, they visit these islands. Okay, so these are the importance of the coastal plain and island. Now next is the what type of a temperature. Next is the climate. So what type of climate? That is the moderate climate. Which type of climate is found here? That is moderate. So what is the meaning of the moderate climate? So these areas are very close to the sea. Okay, So the days are warm and humid and night generally cool as the sea breeze blows toward the land at night. Okay, so that is the reason the climate found here is the moderate climate. Okay, now after that few keywords are given. Let's discuss them. Coast, the place where the sea water touches the land. ये तो स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने आप लोग को बताया था. What is coast? Coast is the place where the sea water touches the land. Harbor, harbor is a place along the coastline which is deep enough for ships to dock near the land. Port, a city which grows around the harbor. Lagoons, lakes of salt water that get separated from the sea. ठीक है. And next is the lighthouse. I have already explained you about the lighthouse. Okay, so what is the importance of these lighthouse? These lighthouses warn ships about the rocks that lie just beneath the surface of the sea. Okay, and island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from all sides. That is known as island. Okay, now let's start with the book exercises of the chapter. Question number A, all of you open page number 95. Take out your book, open page number 95 because we complete book exercises in the book only. Let's start with the question number A. Pick the correct answer. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. So first question is the western coastal plains are formed in. So western coastal plains, question number A, first part, the western coastal plains, the western coastal plain are formed in dash. Western coastal plains are formed in Gujarat, second option is Tamil Nadu, option number C Sarkars, and option number D West Bengal. So the western coastal plains are found in Tamil Nadu, Sarkar and West Bengal. They or lie in the eastern coastal plain. ये सब केस में eastern coastal plains में, ठीक है. So the western coastal plains are found in Gujarat. So Gujarat is the right answer. Note down, Gujarat is the right answer. Is it clear? And Gujarat is the right answer because Tamil Nadu, Sarkars and West Bengal, they all lie in the eastern coastal plains. ये सब किस में आ रहे हैं? ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स में आ रहे हैं. और वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द गुजरात. सेकंड है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन नाउ, द कैपिटल ऑफ लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. The capital of Lakshadweep, the capital of Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep island is dash. A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Kavrathi, and D. Port Blair. So the capital of Lakshadweep island is Mumbai, Chennai, Kavrathi or Port Blair. So Kavrathi and Port Blair, these are the capital of a islands, and Port Blair is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island. So the right answer is Kavrathi. Question number C. The Central Jail is in dash. Okay, Central Jail is in dash. First answer is Andaman Island. Second is Gujarat. Third option is Kerala. Option number D, Tamil Nadu. So student, the cellular jail is in where? The cellular jail, at the time when I explained you about the islands, I tell you the cellular jail is in island. So out of these, Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, only Andaman is the island. So cellular jail is in Andaman Island, because cellular jail is in island and these are not islands, Gujarat, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So Andaman Island is the right answer. Note down the answer from the board. Next is lagoons are found in, question number, lagoons are formed, lagoons are not formed, found in. Okay, it is not formed, lagoons are found. Lagoons are found in dash. Option A, Kerala. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. So lagoons are found in, what are lagoons? Are salt water lakes. ओके, इन दिस व्हाट हैपेंस, सी वाटर इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द सी का ही वाटर होता है लेकिन वो सी से ही सेपरेट हो जाता है, अलग हो जाता है. दैट इज नोन एज lagoons are known as salt water lakes. So lagoons are found in Kerala. Lagoons are found in Kerala. Is it clear? Next question. Lighthouses help the, question number 5, lighthouses help the dash. Option A, trains. Option B, buses. Option C, ships. And option D, cars. So lighthouses, where are the lighthouses are found, student? Lighthouses are found in coastal areas. Okay, so train, buses, car, they are, train and buses and car, they are mean of land transport. They are means of land transport. So what is the right answer? That is the ships. Lighthouses help the ships. So that is the right answer. So after completing question number A, we will start with question number B. Question number B, that is fill in the blanks. The dash coastal plains are narrow and uneven. The dash coastal plains are narrow and uneven. So student, when I explain you about the coastal lines, there are two coastal lines. Okay, one is as the west side and one is at the east side. So west side coastal line is known as western coastal plains and east side coastal line is known as eastern coastal plains. Okay, so when I explain you about both the coastal plains, at that time I explained you that the western coastal plains are narrow and uneven and eastern coastal plains are broad because the rivers are forming the deltas before the water fall into the Bay of Bengal. So the dash coastal plains are narrow and uneven, that is the western coastal plains. Because here you will see lighthouses also, because these lighthouses warn the ships that there are rocks which are beneath the surface of the sea. So in this coastal plain, western coastal plain, that is very narrow and uneven, you will find lighthouses also which warn the ships. Okay, so now question number 2. Question number 2, the Konkan coast run through the state of, so Konkan coast run through the state of इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र टू गोवा, ठीक है। कौन कौन कोस्ट रन फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र टू गोवा। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।